Hey there, night owls and beauty enthusiasts. Looking for a simple yet powerful addition to your bedtime routine? Look no further than castor oil. This age-old remedy has a multitude of benefits that can work wonders while you sleep. Let's dive into the top 5 incredible reasons you should use castor oil before bed. Get ready to wake up to a better you. 1. Promotes hair growth and strength. Dreaming of luscious locks? Castor oil is your new BFF. Rich in ricinoleic acid, it stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth and strengthening your tresses. Just massage a small amount into your scalp before bed and let it work its magic overnight. Wake up to hair that feels thicker, stronger, and more vibrant. 2. Nourishes and hydrates skin. Bid farewell to dry, flaky skin. Castor oil is an excellent moisturizer, packed with fatty acids that penetrate deep into your skin, providing intense hydration. Apply a thin layer to your face and body before bed, and you'll wake up with soft, supple skin that glows. It's especially great for tackling dry patches and rough areas like elbows and knees. 3. Boosts eyelash and eyebrow growth. Want fuller, more defined lashes and brows? Castor oil can help with that too. Its nourishing properties enhance the growth of eyelashes and eyebrows, making them appear thicker and more luxurious. Dip a clean mascara wand or cotton swab into the oil and apply it to your lashes and brows before bed. Consistent use will give you noticeable results over time. 4. Reduces inflammation and soothes muscles. Had a long day? Castor oil has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can help soothe sore muscles and reduce inflammation. Massage it into areas of discomfort before bed to relieve tension and pain. It's an excellent natural remedy for achy joints, back pain, and muscle soreness. 5. Promotes better sleep. Struggling to catch those Z's? Castor oil can help you relax and drift off into a restful sleep. Massaging a small amount onto your temples and the soles of your feet can have a calming effect, reducing stress and anxiety. Its mild, natural scent is also soothing, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. How to use castor oil before bed? Using castor oil is simple and straightforward. Here's a quick guide. For hair growth, warm a small amount of castor oil between your palms and massage it into your scalp. Cover your hair with a shower cap or towel to avoid staining your pillowcase. For skin hydration, apply a few drops of castor oil to your face and body, focusing on dry areas. Gently massage it in until fully absorbed. For eyelash and eyebrow growth, dip a clean mascara wand or cotton swab into the oil and apply it to your lashes and brows. For muscle relief, massage the oil into sore or inflamed areas. For added relief, cover the area with a warm cloth. For better sleep, massage a small amount onto your temples and the soles of your feet. There you have it, 5 incredible reasons to incorporate castor oil into your nightly routine. From promoting hair growth to soothing sore muscles and enhancing your beauty sleep, this versatile oil is a must-have in your beauty and wellness arsenal. Hey there, health enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving straight into a fascinating and somewhat quirky topic: castor oil in your navel. Yes, you heard that right. The age-old practice of putting castor oil in your belly button is making a comeback, and we're here to explore whether it's a hidden health gem or just another quirky trend. Buckle up and get ready for a journey that's equal parts informative and amusing. The magic of castor oil. A quick overview. Castor oil, extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. It's known for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and moisturizing properties. But can this versatile oil really transform your health just by being placed in your navel? Let's find out. The benefits. Fact or fiction? 1. Improved digestion. Claim. Castor oil in the navel can stimulate digestive function and relieve constipation. Science. The navel, or umbilicus, is rich in blood vessels. Some believe that applying castor oil here helps it get absorbed more effectively, promoting better digestion. While there's limited direct scientific evidence, castor oil is known for its laxative properties, so there might be some truth to this claim. 2. Pain relief. Claim. It can reduce menstrual cramps and joint pain. Science. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Applying it topically could potentially help reduce pain, although more research is needed to confirm the effectiveness of naval application specifically. 3. Skin health. Claim. It can improve skin texture and reduce blemishes. Science. Castor oil is an excellent moisturizer and can help soothe dry skin. Applying it in the navel might help improve skin hydration overall, but again, scientific backing is scant. The risks? What to watch out for? 1. Allergic reactions. While rare, some people might be allergic to castor oil. It's always a good idea to do a patch test first. 2. Messy business. Let's be real. Putting oil in your belly button can be messy. Make sure you're prepared with some tissues and a towel. How to use castor oil in your navel. 1. Clean your navel. Make sure your navel is clean and dry. 2. Apply a few drops. Using a dropper, apply 2 to 3 drops of castor oil directly into your navel. 3. Massage. Gently massage the area around your navel for a few minutes to help with absorption. 4. Relax. Lie down for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the oil to work its magic. Verdict: should you try it? So, is castor oil in your navel a miracle cure or just another wellness fad? While the scientific evidence is still catching up, many people swear by its benefits. If you're curious and love a bit of DIY health experimentation, it might be worth a try. Just remember to do it safely and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. 1. Natural relaxation. Castor oil contains a high concentration of a compound called ricinoleic acid, which has been found to have soothing effects on the body. Applying castor oil before bed can help relax your muscles and calm your nerves, making it easier to drift off into a peaceful sleep. 2. Moisturizes skin and scalp. Massaging castor oil onto your skin or scalp before bed not only promotes relaxation, but also moisturizes and nourishes your skin and hair. This can help prevent dryness, itching, and flakiness, ensuring you're comfortable throughout the night. 3. Stimulates circulation. The gentle massage action of applying castor oil can help stimulate blood circulation, promoting better oxygen and nutrient delivery to your cells. Improved circulation can contribute to overall relaxation and a sense of well-being, setting the stage for a restful night's sleep. 4. Reduces muscle tension. If you suffer from muscle tension or soreness, using castor oil before bed can provide relief. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe muscles and joints, alleviating discomfort and allowing you to relax more fully. 5. Aromatherapy benefits. In addition to its physical effects, the pleasant aroma of castor oil can have calming and stress-relieving benefits. Breathing in the scent of the oil as you prepare for sleep can help signal to your body that it's time to unwind, making it easier to transition into a state of deep relaxation. So, the next time you're struggling to fall asleep, consider incorporating castor oil into your bedtime routine. Whether applied topically or simply enjoyed for its aromatic properties, this natural remedy may be just what you need to achieve a restful night's sleep. Unveiling castor oil. What experts aren't saying. 1. Hair growth booster. Stimulates hair follicles to promote growth. 2. Skin savior. Moisturizes and reduces inflammation. Great for acne. 3. Laxative effects. Powerful natural laxative. Use with caution. 4. Arthritis aid. Soothes joint pain when applied topically. 5. Eyelash enhancer. Can help thicken and lengthen eyelashes. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Reduces inflammation in muscles and joints. 7. Wound healer. Speeds up wound healing with its antibacterial properties. 8. Induces labor. Not recommended during pregnancy due to its potential to induce labor. 9. Natural moisturizer. Hydrates skin without clogging pores. 10. Mole and skin tag remover. may help diminish the appearance of moles and skin tags. The benefits of castor oil before sleep. Castor oil, a multi-purpose vegetable oil pressed from castor beans, has been used for thousands of years for its numerous health benefits. Here are some key benefits of using castor oil before sleep. 1. Natural anti-inflammatory. Castor oil helps regulate inflammation in the body. This is especially important with sleep as inflammation triggers the release of the stress hormone cortisol. Excess amounts of cortisol at night can prevent us from sleeping. 2. Liver detoxification. Castor oil helps with liver detoxification. If you're waking up between 1 and 3 a.m. on a regular basis, it could be because your liver needs some support. Castor oil packs placed on the liver can help the liver detoxify the body better, which can also improve sleep. 3. Supports lymphatic drainage. Castor oil supports lymphatic drainage, which is hugely important for overall health and well-being. 4. Relieves constipation. Regular bowel movements are very important for gut health, hormonal health, and detoxification. Castor oil helps in relieving constipation. 5. Promotes relaxation. Castor oil may complement the hormone melatonin, which regulates sleep, by promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. Remember to always use high-quality castor oil and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen.